What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. This is Kicking It with Coda. Now in today's video, I'm bringing you guys another unboxing. But other than just an unboxing, I'm actually going to talk about joining my first cook group. So I would want to say about 2 weeks ago, I joined my first cook group. And I mean, it's been a success. I think I'm up maybe 6 or 7 quart purples so far. Maybe a little bit more than that. Actually, I just got another pair this morning, and I had another pair of Yeezys like 2 days ago. So yeah, it's been good. But this is my first cook group. I just want to let you guys know that I have no experience with cook groups before, and I did all of this manual. No bots, no computers, anything. I actually just bought a laptop like 2-3 days ago, so I've got that set up, and then I bought a bot last night. So I would try to work that. Supreme drop this morning went horrible, but we're gonna keep trying. You know, I mean, I got some things to work out. Let's get to this unboxing. I honestly don't know everything in the packages. I know what's there, but I don't know what's in each package. So it'll be a surprise. First up, this one came from Adidas. And it's looking like let me get this box out of the way. It's looking like a pair of slides. These are a size 4. I think this is the Resin. These are actually like a brick flip, but I don't know. I just wanted to see what I could get. Drop the tag. These things are ugly as hell. Yeah. If you've ever been to jail, you guys already know this is Kanye selling jail slides for real. These are jail slides. But yeah, I'm not even gonna really get into these. I got a whole bunch more to unbox. But yeah, we got Yeezy resin slides in the size 4. Me personally, I sell most of my stuff locally. I have a lot of good local customers, so I try to avoid StockX as much as possible. Especially now them new 3% fees. They're getting on. Josh, you're getting on. Next up, we have another pair. Yeezy slides. These are size 5 in the resin colorway. Good. Don't need to spend too much time going over that. Yeah, about that cook group, it's shout out to my cook group. Honestly, they've been such a big help. Like, I wouldn't be able to do none of this without them. I mean, maybe like 1 or 2 pairs, but I wouldn't be able to hit like all the restocks I've hit or anything like that. Like any questions I've had, pretty much they've been right there to help me. But let's get back to it. We have another pair of slides. I think this is our last pair of slides, and honestly I think this is the best pair, or the most valuable pair, or whatever. This is a size 10 in the bone colorway, and I hit when I hit all these slides, I hit 2 on the Adidas app, or 2 on the Adidas site and 1 on Yeezy Supply. Same card, same everything. Okay. These are a little bit better. Yeah. Not keeping them. Still not keeping them. Yeah. Those are a little bit better than the Resins. Man, can we get to some heat? Can we get something? No more slides. Let's try this box. But yeah, with my cut group, I pay $50 a month, but I mean, obviously I've made my money back already. But then also they have like group buys, so like when I went to go buy my proxies for my bot, I actually got them for like 45% off, which was, I mean, that's a good deal. Next up, finally, okay, we got a Jordan 1. This is a Court Purple in a 9.5. There's gonna be a few pairs of these coming up. Yeah. I love this shoe so far. I haven't even got a chance to wear it yet with the whole quarantine thing. I haven't really been, only place I've really been going is to drop off shoes or run to the gas station real quick. But yeah. This is the Jordan 1 Court Purple in 9.5. Next we got coupon. I think this package is from Foot Locker, if I remember right. Another Yeezy box. $3.50. Which was this? This is a linen. Got this in a size 10. I didn't even want a size 10. I wanted a 10.5. But this is my first time seeing these. They look a lot better in person. I don't know, I was kind of worried, like this, I thought this was gonna be more gray. I kind of like this blue. Can you guys see that in there? But yeah, the colorway reminds me of White People. So shout out to Kanye for making a White People shoe, I guess. But nah, I'm just playing. But I mean, I don't really know any other way to describe it. Like, I mean, it's not my color, but if I had a pale person down here, same color. But yeah, I don't wear Yeezys, but I mean, I guess out of all the Yeezys, these ones gotta be one of the better ones, I would say, to drop in the past year, as far as 350s go. At least it's not one of them like pea soup color ones. I don't know. I don't get it. Kanye's been doing that whole everything's gotta be brown. Next up we got think this is another Foot Locker one, maybe. What is this? Info, you guys don't need to see that. Another Jordan 1 box. This is a size 10. Mike, this is your second pair you've been wanting. Shout out to my guy Mike. He buys pretty much everything in a size 10. He got some heat. Here you go, Mike. Perfect pair. Got you. Actually, you'll probably have this pair before this video gets up, but there you go. Next up, we got my knife. I made this box like the exact size. Who did this? Who did this? DTLR. You did not have to make that box the exact same size as this box. That was ridiculous. But we got another Jordan 1, another size 10. Check this pair out. Thing looks good. So what is that? It's so far we have 3 Yeezy slides, 3 Jordan 1s, and 1 350. Another 350. This one is in a size 10.5. I didn't know I had got a 10. I thought I got a 12. I don't know. Alright, let's check. I don't know. I gotta check my bank. Mike, I got you. You want that 10.5? I got you. I didn't even know I had it. Didn't even know I had it. That's the thing you guys gotta be careful about when buying a lot of shoes like this. Make sure you keep track of what you buy. You guys just seen I swear to God, didn't even know I had a 10.5 coming. So what are we at? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's the last box. Let's get to it. I know what this one is actually. Hold on. You guys see it. This was actually, I think this might have been the first thing I hit when I joined the cook group. You guys see it? These are the 700 Alvahs. I got these in a size 7. Size 7. These are strange. I'm not gonna say they're ugly. I wouldn't wear them honestly, but I don't know. Maybe in a different colorway they might be nice. thought someone said, do these glow up? I don't know, I gotta check. I think someone said that these glow up. Or glow in the dark, my bad. Do these glow in the dark? I think. I'll check. I'll let you guys know. I'll get back to this. Maybe I'll do a review on this shoe. Yeah, that's it. And that is the 700. Yeezy 700 Alvah in a size 7. So yeah, that was a lot. There should be a size 12, I think. I want to say there's a size 12 somewhere coming. Let me check my bank. But yeah, not bad for all manual, all on one phone pretty much. I think maybe one or two pairs was copped off another phone, but yeah, pretty much everything's off my phone. Same phone I'm recording on. If you guys like what you see, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I got obviously a lot more videos on the way. I just set my bot up, so I'll be having some videos on do bots work. I don't know. Is it easier to cop on manual? Is it easier to cop on bots? So far, it's not too hard to cop on manual, so let's see if I can do better on a bot. I got a lace swap video coming up. The Court Purple lace swap video, that should be up this weekend, hopefully. But other than that, you guys have a blessed day, stay safe, and I'll see you next time.